Hello everybody, I am back again with a brand new video. Are you excited? Well, I am. So I am gonna be making peanut butter hair mask. Well guys, my first ingredient is peanut butter and my second ingredient is flaxseed gel, and my third ingredient is aloe vera gel. So guys, I'm gonna mix everything together, blend it well. After I am done blending these ingredients together, I am going to screen it. I know some of you guys is saying right now, gosh, that is the weirdest and grossest hair mask ever. Do you know that peanut is a superfood, and peanut is loaded with protein and is also good for the hair? And guys, let me tell you the amazing part about this peanut butter hair mask. This particular hair mask is going to hydrate your hair and keep it moisturized for days. And guys, the incredible part about this particular DIY, it's very cheap. You can find all these ingredients that are used in this DIY from right in your own home. I have tried this particular treatment about 3 different times. This is not my first time using peanut butter hair mask. So if you want to use peanut oil, I would recommend you try into a pre-poo treatment, or you try it into your pre-conditioner treatment. Alright, I already tell you how much I like this particular DIY. This is what I am going to tell you about it. This particular DIY is messy. So whenever you decide to make or use this particular DIY, make sure you wear an old t-shirt, anything old, so that you can ruin your new clothes. And guys, I did shampoo my hair about 3 days ago. I didn't use like leave-in conditioner or like deep conditioner. The only product that I use after washing my hair, I'm talking about shampooing my hair, I did use my aloe vera gel hairspray leave-in treatment, and I put my hair into a box spray, and I did take it down off camera before coming here to apply this product on my natural hair. So make sure to spray some water on your hair. Try to work in sections so that it can be easy to manage your hair. A lot of people try to avoid using peanut butter or peanut oil in the hair care routine or in the hair care product because of the smell. I usually use my peanut oil, as I said, in my pre-poo treatment, in my pre-conditioner treatment, or I use the peanut butter hair mask. And after I am done using the peanut product, I usually rinse it out. And sometimes when I rinse it out, I go in with a cold wash, or I go in with my regular rinse out conditioner. And when I'm finished rinsing that out, then I put in my leave-in conditioner and use my regular oils or my DIY hair product. Yes guys, so